Hello sir, ma'am. My name is Ivor L. I'm 35 years old and I'm single. I live here in Barangay Atipuluan, Bago City, Negros Occidental. And I have 6 sisters and we are 7 siblings. I am the only boy in the 7 siblings. And I have a works experience in a call center as a call center agent in Ubiquity Global in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until and then in the year of 2021, I became a houseboy in Metro Manila, Makati, Philippines. And I am the one who takes care of an elderly person. He is Jaime Odolio. He is 82 years old and he have a half body stroke. And then until February 2024, and I have an end contract. And sir, ma'am, thank you so much for giving me this an opportunity. And I hope I will see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.